Now let's see how you can find the angles between two lines. So let L1 and L2 be two non-vertical lines such that they are not perpendicular to each other, right? So let's just draw a coordinate axis. So this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis, and two non-vertical lines which are not perpendicular to each other. So let's say this is line L1 and let's say this is line L2. Okay, now there will be an angle between these two lines. Okay, and you need to see which angle you have to deal with. Okay, so obviously let's say that the shorter angle between L2 and L1 is theta, and the larger angle, let's say that is gamma, right? And you have to deal with the shorter angle over here. Okay, and well, it's just easier to deal with the shorter angle. And again, we'll not concern ourselves with these two angles because again, this angle is the opposite of theta, so this is theta equal to theta as well, and this is equal to gamma as it is opposite to gamma. So we need to find theta, and the way to find theta is to use this formula. Tan theta is equal to the gradient of line 2 minus the gradient of line 1 over 1 minus the gradient of line 1 into the gradient of line 2. And it's really just that simple. I don't think there's really much to go on over here, but it's a very simple formula, and that way you can find theta by taking the tan inverse of whatever this is, right? So yeah, this is the final formula to calculate the angle between the two lines. And that's, oops, sorry. Yeah, that's it.